Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So this time we are trying something new. So this is the first time I'm recording a vlog, and today we are at the Snowflake Data Cloud World Tour. Basically, this event happens each and every year, and a lot of people around the community visit this event to understand what is new in the market. So this year's event is mainly organized around the artificial intelligence, large language models, and most of the data security sides. So we'll be exploring some of the keynotes. So as I said, right, the Snowflake event is divided into three parts. One is the Snowflake, where they actually showcases their own product and the new features that they have launched. So as you can see it over here, we have the Alteryx, AWS, Deloitte, Bitwise. So some of them are the product-based companies, some of them are just a service-based company who are trying to leverage Snowflake and help customers worldwide to improve their business processes. So we have Alteryx over here. As you can see, this is their bootcamp. Let's talk to some of the people over here. One of the main part in data engineering that we do is build data pipelines, and Alteryx is one of the tools that helps in this domain. So we'll try to understand more about Alteryx.
So Alteryx is an analytics automation platform, as I mentioned. And the essential idea here is that when you're consuming analytics, what you're seeing is the end result of a lot of activity that's happened behind the scenes. Starting from data extraction, blending, preparing, cleaning. We automate that entire set of activities, which currently can be manual to a large extent in a lot of organizations. So it's a no-code, low-code environment. It doesn't require you to be something of a technologist. It doesn't require you to have any sort of technical knowledge. Just drag and drop, and the workflow is ready.
Awesome. So I guess I've worked with the Alteryx in my previous job, and one of the things that I liked about Alteryx is that you don't really need to understand the coding part of it. You already have some of the transformation function and the extraction part. You just connect to the tools and get the work done. So the demand in the market for this tool is increasing day by day. So make sure you definitely check out the Alteryx. As you can see, this is today's agenda. We'll be starting with the opening keynote. The first session that I'll be attending is this one, the AI, data science and machine learning.
But the way they did this before was using a technology which is almost as old as I am, which is about 50 years old, which is a technology called as FTP. The easiest way for you to save some quick money is to move this Spark workload into Snowflake, because today we support all of these programming languages in Snowflake with the launch of Snowpark.
Hey guys, so I just got out from keynote session, and few things that I've learned is that one of the thing is data principle strategies. So there are 5 things that you need to understand for the data principle strategy. One is the data silos, basically building a single source of data. So we have the data coming from multiple sources, and we have to make sure all of these data are aggregated at one place. And when you use these data for analytics, it should be only from the one place rather than you going from different places and trying to access the data. Other thing is all data at one place is basically we have data from structured, semi-structured and unstructured formats. So it is really important that you put all of these data at one place rather than having the different mechanism for unstructured data or structured data. And one of the things Snowflake is trying to build is something called as a document AI because of the LLMs and the growth in AI. So basically you just put your JSON data as it is on the AI model, and it will directly start generating insights. Then one of the things, using the Snowpark, which is the new tool available in the Snowflake, basically you just load your data and do the transformation at the same place and then serve the data to the business users or data analysts or machine learning engineers. These are the few things that I learned in the keynotes. Now again, there are a lot of different sessions available, so we'll be mainly focusing on the AI ML side. So it is 12 p.m. and I'll go to the one of the breakout session and get back to you. Okay.
Data of the loans which is given out to various users. This is a very hypothetical scenario. It has got the loan status, the loan amount which is given, the interest rate, and also whether the loan has been verified and what is the purpose for which the loan has been given.
So I attended the first session, AI Data Science ML. After the lunch break, now I'm planning to this one, which is about frameworks, and then we'll figure out, maybe we'll go for the Gen AI and some interesting possibility with the Snowflake Cloud. Hi everyone, I'm with Rahul Jain. So we have done podcast previously on our channel about data engineering. He's a data engineer manager at Snowflake. The first question to Rahul, right? What do you really do at Snowflake as a data engineer manager?
To summarize it in short, imagine it's a data cloud tool. My role is a data engineering manager in the data cloud. So we are very much obsessed with data, and whatever internally, first party, second party and third party Snowflake deals with. So we onboard the data in our platform and create data product. so that we can support internal sales, finance, and security models. Every decision we make within Snowflake is data driven. So there is no feelings or gut feelings. It's all data driven decisions. Very small to bigger decisions.
As we generally say in the market, right? We use some of the data to make decisions, but inside the Snowflake itself, you use all of these data to make decisions so that you can improve the product and have the better services. So one of the things that I've been hearing about is AI and LLM, right? What is the future of data engineering? Will this entire industry will get automated? So what are your views on that?
See, so I understand there's a lot of buzz up about LLM and AI, but in order, you might have heard in the keynote session as well, in order to have your AI strategy, you need to have your data strategy first, right? Unless you have data prepared, you cannot train your LLM or your AI models, right? The first step is to get data strategy and then train these models. Of course, these models are going to replace some low-hanging work which people do, some operational engineering. Those will be gone, but that will be replaced with new productive, impactful work.
Awesome. So what are the key things as a data engineer people should focus on in coming years? Like, are there any new things that Snowflake is bringing for data engineers that they should learn so that they can also grow in their career?
Definitely. So I can name few things. For example, Snowflake is investing a lot in bringing ML or democratizing ML to in the hands of normal data engineers who are not very well versed with, let's say, Python or writing machine learning models. So those pre-built models bringing in form of functions. For example, you can use simple functions to forecast for some of the time series memory. So those solutions are pre-built. So data engineers or analysts can use those.
Awesome. Thank you, Rahul, for sharing your insight. And definitely we have the podcast link in the description. Definitely check it out. You'll learn more about it.
Thanks, Darshil.
Data Cloud World Tour. We had very few people, maybe half of this. So really thankful for all of you to be coming here.
This has worked very well because what we have been able to achieve is also to create data marts for specific functions within the organization.
Hey guys, so I just got out from one of the breakout section. It was about AI, data science, machine learning in data cloud, and the second session was on unlocking the power of data with AWS. I'll just give you the quick overview of what really is going on in this LLM world and the AI world. So one of the things that Snowflake is trying to build is something called as a dynamic recommendation based on the data. So sometimes as a data engineer, we might have some of the data that we don't want to expose to different users. So let's say the credit card information or the phone number. So AI or large language model will give us the recommendation that all of this data should automatically get masked or we should secure all of this data. So this is the type of AI integration that they are planning to do, is that give us the recommendation based on the best practices so that you don't have to put a lot of human involvement in that. Second thing they are trying to bring is something called as the iceberg table format. So iceberg is generally used to build a data lake. So it supports a lot of different things. So one of the important reasons iceberg is gaining popularity is because of the asset transaction support. So what Snowflake database is trying to do is that they are trying to bring the support for iceberg. So you keep your data outside whenever you want to keep, but you can easily query and manage your data from Snowflake. This is where the world is trying to move. They are trying to integrate AI and large language models into all of these services. So if you really want to grow in your career, make sure you first learn the fundamentals, but also keep your eye on how to write the better prompts and how to use all of these AI tools to develop things faster and efficiently. So all of these things I learned in this breakout section. Now after this, I'll be joining to some other breakout sessions and I'll see you then. Hey guys, I just got out from my third breakout room and I learned so many different things. One of the things that I learned about is how Snowflake manages and actually applies data engineering practices inside Snowflake. So one of the key things that they are focusing on is again adding the large language models to make things easier. So this is one of the architecture that I saw over here. I'll just add it on the screen. In this architecture, what they really had is that the underlying they had their own Snowflake database, but on top of that they have a lot of open source LLM models that basically understands the data and gives you the right analytics on top of the Streamlit application. Streamlit is basically used for the visualization, the real-time data visualization. This is the data app, so you can directly get all of these charts automatically developed based on the prompts that you input. So this is one of the things. Another thing is the data clean room. So this is the new feature that is being launched by Snowflake. That basically means when you want to share your data with other users, you might want to apply some of the data masking policies. You don't want to, release your data to each and every user, such as phone number, credit card information, or the address. You might want to hide this information. So Snowflake has something called as a data clean room, where you can securely share your data across different organizations and users, so you don't worry about data getting leaked. So these are the few things that I've learned. Now there will be one more Q&A session, and then this event will get over.
Super. Thank you so much everyone for being a part of this wonderful day. Thank you so much. You've been a wonderful audience. And thank you once again.